Hello, love. So you want to know the secret to locks that flourish and thrive? Well, it's really quite simple. It's a healthy hair regimen that is both consistent and effective. Easier said than done, right? I know. But I'm here to help. The first step is you want to get the gunk out. Your locks can't flourish and thrive if they're dull and lifeless. So you have to get all of the product buildup, the excess gunk, the lint out of your locks in order for them to have a chance at being vibrant and full of life. The second thing is you want a healthy hair routine that's going to consistently perform for you. And that includes what wash day products you're using, what styling products you're using, and what you're putting on your hair on a day-to-day basis. What you put on your hair at night, what clothing is allowing to rub up against your hair, all kinds of natural elements that come and go from your day-to-day. All of this plays a role into what gets into your hair, what stays into your hair, and what prevents it from that natural shine. And number 3, you want a healthy hair guide, and I can help you with that. Listen, love, I'm K.Hill of locscessories.com, your online home for all things curls, coils, kinks, and locks. And I'm so glad you found this page, because if you're a LocStar who loves her tresses, then I've got something very special for you. I'm constantly hearing from the community how washing your hair has become an all-day affair, and I wanted to help. I mean, from washing to deep conditioning, hot oil treatments to marathon washing, drying, and styling sessions, it's all become too much. And ain't nobody got time for that. So here's what I've put together for you. It's the LocStar Luxe Wash Day Pamper Package, and it includes all the essentials you need to make your wash day a breeze. When you order your Pamper package with today's special offer, you'll get a double extra large shower cap, which is 43% larger than standard size caps, so no more wet head. A hands-free hair drying towel. It's made of microfiber cloth, which is way better than cotton and works to keep lint at bay, which we know is public enemy number 1 for locks. Plus, it features a button closure, which is hands-free and stays put so you can keep it moving while your hair dries. You'll also get a travel-size bottle of rose water moisture mist. This is a great all-natural mist with a rose essence. This treatment was used by the ancient cultures to keep their hair moisturized and adds a healthy shine. You'll get 2 perfect ponytail holders. Don't stuff your luscious locks into teeny, ill-fitted elastics made for fine hair. We're rescuing you from mind-numbing headaches caused by ponytail pull. You'll also get a signature LocStar t-shirt. Now this is a LocScessories exclusive. You can't find it in any store. Rock it with jeans and heels or to the gym. Either way, you're going to be turning heads. And as a special treat, I'm including my ultimate guide to gorgeous locks video masterclass, where you'll discover expert secrets of an 11-year lock veteran, the 411 on healthy lock maintenance, common hair care traps you must avoid, and top tools to ensure you love your lock journey. All for a price so low, I dare not mention it aloud. But I put it together for you, love, so you can reclaim your time and go out there and live your best life. So go ahead and click that add to cart button now and order yours today and get that good self-care for your hair. Until next time, be well.